Hello friends, welcome to Tech with Kiran. Today we are going to solve this daily problem in LeetCode, which is shuffle the array. So we are given an array nums in the form of x1, x2, xn up to xn and y1, y2 up to yn. So we want to shuffle the array in this form, in this x1, y1, x2, y2 and xn, yn. So we are going to solve this problem in O of n time complexity and O of 1 space complexity, which is constant space. We are not going to use any extra space, so the space complexity is going to be O of 1. So let's see how we can solve this problem using two pointers. Let's take this array as an example and traverse it with the two pointers I and j. As you can see, the I pointer is in the first index and the j pointer is in the first element of the second half of the array. Basically what we are doing here is we are dividing the array into two. While we iterate through, we are going to add the elements to the resultant array. After adding the element, let's increment the pointers I and j by 1. Now again add the element to the resultant array. Again increment the pointers. Then add the element 1 and 7 to the resultant array. Again we increment the pointers, and when the j pointer goes out of the array, we stop the looping and return the resultant array. I hope you understand solving this problem using two pointers. Let's now jump into the code. Let's code this problem. Let's start by creating our resultant array and the left and right pointers. The left pointer is going to point at the first index, which is 0, and right is going to point at n. N is the first element of the right half of the array. So we are going to traverse the array using while loop. The conditions are L must be less than n and R must be less than the length of the array. So if the right index is not less than the length of the array, which means the right index is out of range, at that time we have to stop the while loop and return the resultant array. So inside the while loop we are going to add the left and right elements to the resultant array. Rest dot append nums l dot append nums or. So after appending, we have to increment the pointers. Let's increment the left and right pointers by 1. So after this loop finishes, we got the resultant array. So let's return it. As you can see, this algorithm works and it runs pretty fast. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, which helps us a lot. And if you have any doubts in this problem, mention down in the comments. And if you have any better solution to this problem, please also mention that in the comments. I will reply to that. And thank you for watching this video.